Hi everyone, it's Tech Dad. If you're new to this channel, please think about subscribing. In this video, I want to show you some through the lens footage that I took with my RIFT S playing Project Cars 2. But please be careful with your judgment of the image quality that you see with all these through the lens YouTube videos. It's quite a challenge to film a great through the lens video depending on the equipment you have, and it will never really show you how it looks in real life in 3D with your own eyes. However, you can see from this footage that the image quality on the RIFT S is a massive improvement over the original Rift. And to my surprise, it's even better in general than the Odyssey Plus. On the RIFT S, the screen door effect is more present. We see the grid effect to some extent. The technology used by Samsung on the Odyssey Plus eliminates the screen door effect, and in the cockpit it's very clear. But things get a bit blurry in the distance where you are always looking at the car head or at the apex head. Also, as I said in my review of the Odyssey Plus, the sweet spot is so small that when you're looking not straight ahead, the image is blurry. When you're looking at the apex or just checking your position on the HUD. If you are planning to buy the RIFT S and you wanted to know if it works okay with Sims game, the answer is yes. It's still not like playing on a flat screen. We're getting there. If you want the best visual, you will need to check out the HP reverb. But all in all, I'm quite surprised by the quality of the visual in Sims game of the RIFT S. So thank you all. It was Tech Dan. Ciao.